Hey guys, this is National Stock Trading Academy. Welcome to the weekly update of Nifty. So let's get started. So this is Nifty for this week. So since you have been following us, you might recognize that nothing has happened for this week. They are actually accumulating for the next move. And now the way this structure is looking like, we are still expecting Nifty to make this move. Now, will that be a last move or it will continue to go up and up and up? So that we will decide once they reach over here. But for this week, we are still expecting Nifty to tag this top or even might touch 272 or something. But we are still expecting this week Nifty will make this move and then we can decide. Now, this structure is more prominent for making that move. Now, what is structure? If you are wondering, they are doing something, if you can recognize, and the way this structure is looking like, it's more prominent for upside. Remember when we were forecasting that Nifty was here, that they will make a structure, and based on that structure we can decide whether this is going to make this move or this move. See, so when we were forecasting that, some people said that what is structure, what are you talking about? See what has Nifty done over the course of period. It has developed the structure for the next impulse for the upside, right? So that's the thing I'm saying. You got to see the market the way it is supposed to be seen, and based on that condition you execute. When you reach here, you don't predict that this is going to do this or this is going to do this. Based on the condition you see in the market, you predict the next move. What has happened when we were saying from here till here? The price is still in a range. It's not going anywhere. It's actually accumulating for the next impulse. Same thing they are doing right now, and that is why I actually made you recall this. They are actually making a structure. If you know how to use fib on this chart, you can actually spot a nice place to buy. So anyways, the conclusion is this: we are still expecting this structure to complete and then tag this top, and then that's the story for the coming weeks. For next move, we are expecting Nifty to tag this top. That's the update on Nifty from NSTA. So I'll be guys seeing you soon with another update. Thank you so much.